Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving a duplicate and confirming the Excel build so you can revert if needed. Next, close background files and disable all add-ins to rule out extension conflicts. Once done, clear the recent files list and open Excel in safe mode to isolate startup problems. Make sure to run a quick repair from Control Panel if safe mode fixes the issue. This sequence eliminates common causes fast and prepares you for the targeted fixes that follow. You now focus on the workbook internals. Start by using evaluate formula and error checking to find circular refs and #ref errors, then examine named ranges and external links for broken paths that throw errors. If formulas appear corrupt, open the file with Open and Repair and choose Extract Data to recover values. Once recovered, replace volatile functions with static values if needed and rebuild critical formulas step by step to ensure stability before moving to final cleanup. You finish by re-enabling add-ins one at a time and testing after each to identify the culprit. Then save a clean copy in a current format like XLSX. If macros are involved, export and re-import VBA modules rather than copying entire workbooks. Make sure to clear hidden sheets and custom XML that can persist errors. If problems persist, make a minimal reproducible file and test on another machine. This isolates environment-specific faults and points you to the exact remaining fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.